Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to set your KDP margins in Canva quickly and correctly so you can upload your manuscript without running into any errors. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this tutorial helpful. Let's get started by searching for KDP interior margins in your browser. Click on the Kindle Direct Publishing link to open their official self-help page. This page shows you everything you need to know to format and publish your book correctly. First, scroll down until you see the trim size specifications section. Here, you'll find different size options for printed books. For this tutorial, we're going to choose one of the large trim size paperback options, which is 8.5 by 11 inches for our demonstration. You'll also see different print options such as black ink on white paper, black ink on cream paper, standard color, and premium color. These options tell you the minimum and maximum number of pages your book can have. Keep in mind that bigger books, color options, and more pages cost more to print, which can affect how much you charge for your book. But we will cover this in another video. Next, scroll down to the examples of page size with and without bleed section. Bleed means your image or color goes all the way to the edge of the page. Think of ink flowing right off the edge. No bleed means your design stays inside the page and leaves a white border around it. Since we're using an 8.5 by 11 inch book, we'll follow the size requirements listed for this format. Now open your Canva app, then select Custom Size and enter the measurements shown on the KDP page. First, let's create a template without bleed. In Canva, switch the units to inches. According to KDP specifications, set your page size to 8.5 inches wide by 11 inches high and click on Create Design. Remember that all KDP books begin with the right-hand page first. Bleed and no bleed layouts use different margin settings, including different inside, gutter margins, and outside margins. Scroll down to the section titled Minimum Margin Size by Page Count, with and without bleed, and make sure you select the correct margin measurements based on your book size and total page count. I typically choose the 24 to 150 page range for my coloring books. Keep in mind that KDP counts blank pages as part of your total page count. Because of this, my books usually contain between 25 and 30 coloring pages placed on right-aligned pages, with a blank left-aligned page behind each one. This layout helps prevent ink from bleeding through onto the next coloring page. Now, let's set up your page margins using Canva's Show Rulers and Guides feature. Click File, then Settings, and select Show Rulers and Guides. For books between 24 and 150 pages with no bleed, KDP requires an interior margin of 0.375 inches and an outside margin of at least 0.25 inches. It is important to set your left and right-aligned pages according to these specifications to prevent errors when uploading your manuscript. Let's begin with the right-aligned page. Zoom in on the top left corner of your page to 500%. This allows Canva to register smaller adjustments and helps you set your margins more precisely. Hover your cursor over the ruler on the left, then click and drag to the right to set the interior margin to 0.375 inches. Next, set the top outer margin to 0.250 inches by clicking and dragging down from the top ruler. Now set the outside right margin to 8.250 inches. The total page width is 8.5 inches, and 8.5 minus 0.250 equals 8.250 inches. So place your guide at 8.250 inches. Lastly, set the outer bottom margin to 10.750 inches. The total page height is 11 inches, and 11 minus 0.250 equals 10.750 inches. So place your guide at 10.750 inches. Rename the page by clicking on the page settings and renaming it Right. Now add a shape and ensure it fits perfectly within these guides. You may wonder why we do not set the left page before this step. Any guides that are not locked in place can shift, which would require you to reset the right-aligned page again. Set the shape to transparent and add a border. This will act as a visual guide to keep your artwork within the safe area, preventing trimming issues and upload errors. Lock this shape in place. Locking the shape allows you to edit and select other elements without affecting the position of your border. You can always unlock it later by right-clicking the shape and selecting Unlock if you wish to remove it. Next, set the borders for the left-aligned page. Add a blank page. If you have not removed your margin guides, they will still be visible. You can simply click on each guide and adjust it according to the specifications provided below. Zoom into the top right corner and set the interior margin for the left page to 8.125 inches. This is calculated as 8.5 minus 0.375 equals 8.125 inches. Next, go to the top left corner and set the top outer margin by dragging a guide to 0.250 inches from the top. Adjust the left border marker to 0.250 inches for the outer margin, and ensure the bottom margin is set to 10.750 inches if it is not already. When you zoom out and compare this page to the right-aligned page, you will notice that the margins do not line up. This is correct and expected. Repeat the same process on the left page by adding a shape within the guides and locking it in place. Rename this page to left. Once everything is set, you can remove the guides by selecting File, Settings, and switching off Show Rulers and Guides. Scan the QR code to access the Done For You Canva template, or follow the link provided in the description. From this step forward, it is important that all artwork remains within these borders to prevent any errors when uploading your manuscript. If you wish to add a border to your artwork, it is recommended that you place it inside the already locked border. This border serves as a spacing indicator only and should be removed before uploading your final PDF to KDP. If any part of your artwork touches or crosses this border, your manuscript upload may return an error. To learn how to set up margins with Bleed, please watch the next video. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on helpful tips and tricks for optimizing your KDP books.
KDP Margins for Dummies.